Over here you can see that I am in expert mode and I have an image opened up right here. And the thing with Photoshop in expert mode is that you can work around with tabs of images right here. So there's a tab of image that is opened up, and if you want to work around with multiple images, then you can go around onto file, click on open, and then you can go around and import out another picture over here. So let me just go around, open a picture of a girl, and you can see that it does not closes out the previous picture, but you can see a new picture is opened on top of it. You can go around and open right here, and then you can, let's say for example, open up this logo right here, and there you go. There you can see that this picture opens up a new tab. And in the tabs you can see asterisks, meaning that this particular file is not saved out. So if you were to go around and save it, for example, I'm going to go around and just press save right here and replace out the girl right here. Let me press OK. Now you can see that as I saved it, you don't see the asterisks over here anymore. So that is how it works as well. So I'm just going to go around over here in brush, and let's just go around and then make some changes by drawing, and now you can see the asterisks once more, as you can see, because that is not saved. So when something is not saved, you can see the asterisks in the tab over here as well. You can also go around and move out the tab from left to right here, just like this, and click on the tabs to access out those particular images. And you can close out the tabs, and then if the pictures are not already saved, then it'll prompt you to save it as well. So here it says save changes to Adobe Photoshop Elements document Untitled 1 before closing, and if you don't want to save it, you can simply press no, and if you want to save it, you can press yes, and then you have the option to save out the document right here. And once you save it, it gets closed out just like that. And that is how you can work around with image tabs inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.